we are going to be subtracting 178 from 243. To begin estimation, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to make these numbers a lot more easy. I'm going to actually round these numbers. I'm going to make this 240, and I'm going to make this one 180. Now I know that 200 minus 100 is going to be 100, so I'm going to change this to 140 minus 80. And I know that 140 minus 80 is going to be 60. The reason I know this is because if I was to only take 40 from this side and this side, now 100 minus 40 I know is 60. So now I have my estimate of 60. To begin, I'm going to rewrite this in expanded form. Oops. I'm going to start by looking at the ones digit, but as you can see here, taking away 8 from 3 isn't really going to be very easy. So instead, I'm going to change this expanded form a bit. I'm going to take 10 from the 40 and put it on the 3. So I will take 10 from here, and I'm going to make this a 13. Now I can subtract 8 from 13. This gives us 5. Now I'm going to have to subtract 70 from 30. That's going to be kind of tricky, so what I'll do is I'll change this expanded format again. I'm going to take 100 away from this 200, and I'm going to add it to this 30 here. So I know 100 minus 70 is 30, so then I'm going to have 30 and 30, so I'm going to have 60. And then here I'm going to have 100 minus 100. So I know my answer now is 65. That's pretty close to our estimate. Now we're going to handle this using manipulatives. At the top we have 2 flats representing 200. We have 4 rods representing 40 and 3 units representing 3. Underneath it we have 1 flat representing 100. We have 7 rods representing 70, and we have 8 units representing 8. So we have 243 on the top and 178 on the bottom. We can see right now that we have a problem. Taking 8 of these away from 3 of these isn't really going to work. So we need to make these units to be more than these 8 units on the bottom. In order to do that, I'm going to need to take one of these 10s and exchange it for 10 units. Now that we've done that, we can subtract these 8 units from these units up here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 2 away over here, 2 away up here, 2 away up over here, 2 away over here, 2 over here, 2 over here, 2 over here, and 2 over here, which leaves us with these 5 on the top. Now we're left with taking these 7 rods away from these 3 rods up here, which isn't going to work. So we need to exchange one of these 100 flats with 10 rods. Now that we've done that, we look at these 7 rods down here, we know we need to take away from 7 up here. So we're going to take there we go. Oops, there we go. There. And then we take the 7 away on the bottom. And what we're left with is 6 rods representing 60. And last but not least, we have the 2 flats. Well, they cancel each other out when we're taking 1 away from 1. So we're left with 65, which was our answer.